Upside app review, is it legit? So the Upside is a legit cashback app this year that pretty much pays users real money for everyday purchases like gas or groceries. It should just show you what kind of purchases that will get you these rewards. But other than that, the process is quite simple. You claim an offer, pay as usual, and earn cash back after verifying your purchase. Many users will report saving a decent amount over time, especially when stacking Upside rewards with credit card cashback, which will make it a solid option for reducing regular expenses. That said, it's not as perfect as it sounds. Some users experience delayed or missing cashback, and in certain cases, the final payout can be lower than expected. Availability and savings also depend heavily on your location, so not everyone benefits equally. But overall, Upside is legit and worth trying. Although it is best used as a side savings tool rather than something you rely on consistently if you really want to see that much of a balanced earning. But that is the general idea on how Upside works and a few pros and cons. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.